Hello guys, welcome back to SAP SD by Manoj Tony. In this session, I will discuss reverse tax on GST. So guys, reverse tax calculation mechanism will be applied where user entered maximum retail price and expectation is to determine base price and tax separately. So it is nothing but price inclusive tax. So guys, I have seen many consultants are doing this by developing a new pricing routine in pricing procedure or else write code for calculating base price and tax. But here I will show you how to achieve this in standard configuration without technical consultant support. So guys, here you can save the time and budget of your business. Then before configuration, I'll discuss tax category. So what are the tax category we have for GST? First is interstate GST. So guys, what is interstate GST? Under GST, the supply of goods or services from one state to another state would be called as interstate supply. So interstate supply as when the location of the supplier and place of supply for the customer are in two different states or two different union territories or states or a union territory. So for this example, state of delivering plant is in Punjab and state of customer is in Odisha. So here we are doing sales transaction in between two different states. So guys, here pricing condition type will determine tax pricing condition type will be JOIG. For interstate GST, we have only one tax sales tax condition in our sales document, sales order. And second is what interstate GST. What is interstate GST? In interstate GST, supply means any supply of goods or services where location of the supplier and place of supply are same state or same union territory. Here my state of delivering plant is in Punjab and customer state is also in Punjab. So this is interstate GST. Interstate GST means sales transaction within same state. So here two sales condition type will determine, that is JOCG and JOSG. JOCG stand for central GST and JOSG stand for state GST. Then next is what union territory GST. So what is union territory GST? So shortly we can call it as UTGST. The short form of union territory is UTGST. So UTGST is nothing but the GST applicable on goods and services supply that takes place in any of 5 territories in India, including Andaman Nicobar Island, then Dadra Nagar Haveli, Chandigarh, Lakshadweep, and Daman and Diu is called as Union Territory. So here my sales transaction is from Daman Diu to Odisha. So guys, your two sales condition type will come into the picture. Tax condition type will come into the picture. That is JOUG and JOCG. So what is JOUG? JOUG stand for Union Territory GST and JOCG stand for Central GST. So guys, if we talk about the interstate GST, we are having only one sales condition type, that is JOIG for tax. Apart from interstate GST, if you talk about interstate GST and union territory, we have more than one sales tax condition type. So what is the purpose of this slide? If we have more than one sales tax in sales order, then we have different configuration. We have to go for the different configuration. If you have one sales tax condition type in sales order, then different configuration. If it is more than one, then different configuration. So in this session, I will cover integrated GST. Integrated GST means sales transaction in between two different states. So JOIG will come into the picture here. Sales tax condition type will be 1. So frequently used, where we use in reverse tax calculation. First is all retail mall, retail sector. They will go for reverse tax calculation. What is reverse tax calculation? Suppose my MRP, maximum retail price of metal, is 10,000. Then when user will enter 10,000, separately your base price will be calculated. From base price, tax will be calculated. So MRP inclusive of tax, base price plus tax. So when we use reverse tax calculation, first one is a retail sector. Then second is service through any e-commerce operator. Then reverse tax calculation is mandatory. Apart from this, goods are supplied from unregistered to registered person. Then again reverse tax calculation will come into the picture. The next, listed goods and services by CBEC. So what is CBSE? CBSE is nothing but Central Board of Excise and Custom has listed some goods and services under which reverse tax is applied. Then next we have to understand a reverse tax calculation, how reverse tax calculation works. So in this example, my maximum retail price of the metal is 10,000. 10,000 includes base price plus 28% of GST tax. What is the calculation for this? Tax percentage means 28% into MRP divided by 100 plus, this is not multiplication, this is plus 100 plus tax percentage. So 28 into 10,000 is MRP equal to 2,80,000 plus 100 plus tax percentage is 28. So total 128. So 1,80,000 divided by 120 equal to 2,187.5 rupees. So now I'll check in calculator whether this calculation is okay or not. We have to divide 2,80,000 by 128. It would be 2187.5. Correct. It is coming 2187.5. Then we have to calculate. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate base price. Base price is how we calculate base price. We got our tax amount. Then MRP minus tax equal to base price. 10,000 minus 2,187.5 equal to 7812.5. So here I have to deduct tax amount from my maximum retail price. So here maximum retail price is 10,000 minus 2,187.5 equal to 7812.5. So once again we have to cross check. Your base price plus tax would be your MRP, that is 10,000. So I will add tax to 187.5. Correct, it is coming 10,000 which is my MRP. Then guys, same time what we have to check, you have to check your tax calculation is correct or not. This is base value. So your tax amount 28% from your base amount, that is 7812.5. So I'll divide by 100, I'll get the 1%, that would be 78.125 into 28. Then it should be your tax amount, that is 2187.5 equal to 187 plus 5. So finally we are getting the correct calculation. Your base price plus tax equal to 10,000 and we are getting 28% from base value. Then test case 1, is the tax amount at 28% of your base price 7812.5? Yes, we get this. We got this calculation. Then second is what? Each the base price plus tax amount is coming 10,000. Yes, it is coming 10,000. So now we can conclude the solution. We have given the correct calculation. Then reverse tax calculation. Here we have to understand our pricing procedure customization. Our pricing procedure we have to develop. So guys, here for this requirement, I have to define 4 pricing procedure. First one is MRP. So user will enter or user will determine MRP as 10,000. Then through standard configuration, system will by default system will calculate here 28% from your base value, not from your MRP. I will get this 2187. Then same time I got one. I will go for a bifurcation step. That is from step number 10. Value of step number 10 is how much? This is 10,000. Here 10,000 determined. Then this is not equal 50. Then here I will create a one condition type, that is total, whatever it may be, that is 100% discount, 100% discount, 100% discount. So here we have what is my purpose. Purpose is what I have to deduct. I have to deduct tax amount from my maximum retail price. Then I will get best price. So here this 100% discount from which step? Step number 20. Value of step number 20 is how much? 2187.5. So as this is a discount condition type, you will get value as negative. Then what next step what we have to do? I will give a subtotal. I'll go for a subtotal step. Subtotal step is from what? 10,000 plus minus 2187.5. So here I'll include step number 60 to step number 8. 60 to 8. Then 10,000 minus tax amount, I'll get this amount. The next step, I will create a separate condition type for best price, that is MR00. So MR00 is also a percentage discount. Sorry, percentage, not discount, percentage condition type. Here I will maintain 100% plus, and it will determine from which step? It will determine from step number 8. Step number 8 value is how much? 7812.5 from step number 80. So here I will post two value, that is best price MR00. So this is not statistical, and same time I have account key. For tax we don't have we will uncheck this statistical, and we have account key. So these two value will be posted into the account key. So this is the pricing procedure. In this way I have to develop the pricing process. Then now I'll talk about the configuration. So once again I'll repeat it again, that I have to create four condition type. First one is base. Base is for what? Maximum retail price. Then integrated GST. Then minus tax. One is 100% minus tax, and another one is calculator of best price, that is plus 100%. Then configuration. So as you know, guys, pricing is based on condition technique. So we have to define the condition table. Then second step, we have to define access sequence. Then third step, condition type. Then I have to assign condition type in pricing procedure in a sequence. And finally, I have to maintain the condition record. So first, I have to create one condition type, that is for what? That is for maximum retail price. So quickly go to the SAP system. First, we have to create condition table. So you know T code to create condition table is v/03. Here I will take a material key. Here I will take the key combination as material. Execute. Enter. So guys, please remember my table is 734. Save it. Now just I am creating a condition type just like base price. The next step is what? We have to define access sequence. So T code to define access sequence is v/07. New entries. Then YMRP. Give the description maximum retail price. Select. Double click on accesses. New entries. So previous step I have created my condition table as 733. So this is material combination. Select. Double click on fields. Enter. Not of it. Save it. The next step I have to define condition type. So T code to create condition type is v/06. I'll copy from standard base price, that is PR00. Select, then click on copy as. I'll give YMRP. So guys, you can change your description, that is for maximum retail price, and my access sequence was same, YMRP. Enter. YMRP is already there. Then I'll take separate condition type, different condition type, that is TMRP. TMRP is available. Enter, then save it. Then next step we have to go for pricing procedure. So T code to define pricing procedure is v/08. Create a new pricing procedure. Give the description here. My pricing procedure is QVAA01. Select, then double click on control. So new entries. So my MRP condition type was TMRP and make this step as statistical. Save it. So guys, once again, please remember your pricing procedure YVAA01 and condition type is TMRP. Now I have to go for the pricing procedure determination. T code for pricing procedure determination is OVKK. Go to position my sales organization J1, distribution channel J1, division J1, enter. So here I will maintain my pricing procedure QVAA01. Condition type was TMRP. Enter. Save it. Then what I have to do, I have to maintain condition record. Then I have to check whether my base price is coming correct or not. Why MRP? Sorry, that was TMRP. TMRP. So here my metal is speaker Manoj. I'll maintain 10,000 as MRP, maximum retail price. Then guys, quickly we'll create one sales order, then we'll check whether price is coming correct or not. Material was speaker Manoj. Condition, yes guys, it is coming perfect. Okay, 10,000. Then next step, what we have to do, we have to create a tax condition type, that is JOIG. So here I'll create a condition type with key combination countries, a plant region, customer region, tax classification of the material, tax classification of customer, then control code. Control code is nothing but HSN code or SAC code. So quickly I'll go to the SAP system, then go to v/03, enter. So first is what? Once again, please remember your key combination country, plant region, tax classification of the customer, tax classification of material, then control code. So first is one country. Go to C. We are having few more numbers of countries, so I will check for which one is ALN. This one is. Take this one. Then second is one region of delivering plant. Go to R, PQR, region of delivering plant. Then here also we are having two region. So I will check which one is Regio. Technical name is Regio. First one is Regio. Then PQRST, tax classification of customer. Tax classification of customer and tax classification of the material. Then I will take control code and create. Enter. Yes. So please remember your table number is 735. Save it. And guys, second step is what? Second step is v/07. What is, we have to define access sequence for condition type. Yes, new entries. Then I will go for ROIG. ROIG is for integrated GST. Enter. Then save. Then accesses and new entries. Step number 9. Then table was 734. Not 734. This is 735. Yes, 735. Select. Then fields. Enter. Save it. So your access sequence is ROIG. Next step, we have to define condition type for tax. So T code to create condition type is v/06. I have already created ROIG. So double click on ROIG. Just I will maintain my maintain what I have to maintain. I have to maintain my access sequence ROIG. This is tax condition type. Okay, save it. Then quickly you go to your pricing brochure v/08. Then RVAA, sorry, QVAA01. Select. Then double click on this. Then go to new entries. Step number 20. Tax condition type was ROIG. From which step, guys? From step number 10. Then account key is JOI. I have created JOI. Save it. Then now I will create one more sales order. Then we'll check whether tax is coming correct or not. VA01. So as for our example, your tax amount would come around 2187.5. So go to condition. So tax is not coming because we have not maintained the condition record for tax. So we have to maintain the condition record for tax. So go to VK11. So T code to maintain, as you know, T code to maintain condition type is VK11. So condition type is ROIG. So guys, here we have to maintain condition record with combination of country, region of delivering plant, customer region, tax classification of the customer, tax classification of the material, then control code. So guys, control code is nothing but HSN code or SSC code. So region of the plant, region of the plant. So quickly I will check the region of plant. So go to OX10. My delivering plant code is J100. So double click on this. So here region code is 19, which is Punjab. 19. Then region code of the customer. Go to XT02 slash XT02. Region of the delivering plant is 18. Then tax classification of the customer. Go to sales area. Billing. Here tax classification is 1. Maintain 1 over here. Then quickly go to Metal Master. MM02. From Metal Master, I will metal code is suppose and text speaker Manoj. So first I have to check tax classification of the metal is 1. So here I have to maintain 1. Then HSN code, control code. Where we maintain control code for Metal Master, we maintain control code for Metal Master is for foreign trade export data. This is my control HSN code. Then I will maintain 28%. I will maintain IA as my tax code. Then create a sales order. Then we'll check our tax condition type is coming perfectly or not. It is calculating the tax from reverse or not. We have to check out condition. Then it is coming 2800. It is incorrect. So it is calculating from where? It is calculating from here MRP, maximum retail price, but it should calculate reversely. It is wrong calculation. So guys, go to V/06. My condition type for tax is ROIG. So guys, here this is the major changes we have to do for a reverse tax calculation, that is calculation type H. If you maintain H, then it will calculate perfectly. Then once again we have to maintain condition record for same. Go to VK11. Then 19 is for Punjab, 18 is for Odisha, 1. Then my control code is this, tax percentage 28, tax code is IA. Now it should come around 2187.5, something like this. Create sales order VA01, 1. Now go to this. So now it is coming 2187. It is not calculating 28% from base value, it is calculating in reverse. So where is the control? In tax calculation condition type, you have to change calculation from A to H. That is major changes in reverse tax calculation. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to create MTags. So here I will create another condition type, that is in percentage and discount. And why I will create this? Because I have to deduct tax amount from MRP, then I will get the best price. So quickly go to VSLA03. Here I will take key combination as sales org. PQRS. Sales organization. Enter. Yes. Now my table number is how much? 736. Save. Go to VSLA07. T code to create access sequence. So which access sequence I will take? I'll take MTags. Okay, MTags. Deduction of tax from MRP. You give your description. Enter. Select. Double click on accesses. 10. That is I have 736. That is sales organization. Select. Then double click on fields. Enter. Save it. So access sequence for 100% discount is MTags. Next step we have to define a condition type again. VSLA06. I'll copy from any discount condition type K007. So MTags. Here you maintain MTags. Enter. So here you have to check your calculation type should be A. A means percentage. Save. Then go to your pricing procedure VSLA08. Would be 08. Then same time here what we have to do, I will create one bifurcation steps. Okay, that is copy of maximum retail price. So retail price is step number 10. Here you have to maintain step number 10, and this is also again statistical. Check statistical. Then step number 40. In step number 40 you maintain MTags. Enter. MTax, which is 100% discount. It is from step number this. So this is 100% minus discount. So I will maintain step number as 20. Step number 20. It is again statistical. Save it. Then now again we have to maintain the condition record. VK11 MTax, that is 100%. I will copy value J100 my sales organization 100%. Save it. Then again create a sales order and check it. PA01. Keep the quantity. Now it is minus tax amount. Okay. So next, what we have to do, we have to once again we have to add one more bifurcation steps over here. So new entries, step number 50, bifurcation step will be subtotal from step number where step number 30 to step number 50. Step number 50. So again this is statistical. Then we have to create one more condition type, that is also, I directly go to v/06 and I will create a condition type that is also percentage condition type. I will copy it from MTags. Okay. Then copy it here, remove negative. You remove negative, here maintain positive. Then here I'll give MR00. This is I'm creating, this is for base price. Okay. Assign this. Then go to your pricing procedure. Step number 60. That is base price. It is final base price. Okay. MR00. Then it will be from step number 50 to 50. And I will post this value as base price and account key will be ERN. Save it. And finally we'll create one more sales order, then we'll check whether this calculation and steps are coming correct or not. The steps are coming. Here I have checked statistical, that's why value is not coming over here. So once again go to your pricing procedure, v/08, and you remove that statistical for last MR00, that is final price. MR00, it is not static. Oh, sorry. Here you have to maintain VK11, condition type for MR00, sales organization this, and that is again 100%. Enter. Save it. Then create sales order VA01. Now value is coming perfect. Condition. So this plus this equal to your MRP 10,000. Calculation is okay. Okay. So in this way I have created MTags. Then after that MTags I have created MR00 with sales organizer key combination. So this is all about the configuration. Then we'll discuss about the scenarios. Now this is one more scenario, that is speaker, and base MRP maximum retail price for this speaker is 15,000. So when I'll create sales order, first system will calculate your tax percentage, that is tax amount, that is 28%, and value will be 3281, then 0.25. Then amount is, your base amount will be 11,718.75 rupees. So here total amount will be 15,000. Okay. So this is the calculation rule. So quickly I will maintain MRP as 15,000. For same material code VK11 VK11. So my MRP condition type was TMRP. For TMRP this material I will maintain sales price as 15,000. Enter. Currency will be INR. Enter. Create sales order VA01. So double click on this, go to condition, you check here base price is how much, 11,718.75. this is amount is 11,718.75, and your tax amount 33,281.25. 3,281.25. So plus this equal to your MRP. It is also coming perfect. Then next scenario, watch. This is watch. MRP for this watch is 18,750. So you will get here IGST means ROIG tax percentage is 12%. So system will calculate tax percentage 12%. Your amount will be 2,893 paisa, and base price will be 16,741.07 rupees. So total here 18,750. So here metal code is different. So I have different metal code. Go to MM02. Your metal will be watch Manoj. So here I have different HSN code. So go to foreign trade export data for against this HSN code. Sorry. This is HSN code 8763427833. Against this HSN code, I have to maintain tax rate as 12%. Code VK11 once again. ROIG 19%. Sorry, region is 19, 18, 1, and here HSN code is different. Now I have to maintain the different HSN code. Against this HSN code, I have to maintain 12%, and IB is my tax code for 12%. Enter, save it. So guys, you remember now I have different metal code, that is watch, create VA01. Not metal code is watch Manoj. Okay. So watch Manoj quantity 1. For watch Manoj, the price is not coming. So I have to maintain base price first. So MR00, enter. Sales organization, no. I have to maintain MRP na. PK11, TMRP. TMRP as how much? Wristwatch. How much? It is 18,750. 18,750. Currency INR. Save it. Now create sales order VA01. Yes, now base price. Need to remind over here. Condition. So my base price is 16,741.07. 16,741.07. Now tax percentage, tax amount is 2008.93. 2008.93. It is 18,750. So it is coming perfect. Okay. So upcoming video I will upload for intrastate GST and union territory GST, because for intrastate GST and union territory GST we are having more than one tax condition type. So if you have more than one tax condition type, then we have to do some more changes in this configuration. You will not get your result based on JYG configuration. So I'll upload a separate video for that. So guys, if guys, definitely you can get back to me anytime if you have any question or queries on this reverse tax calculation. So if you like to reach me, then you can find below communication details to reach me. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, enjoyed this session, then make sure you like this video. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, then make sure subscribe our channel and share this video with your friend. And guys, don't forget to click on bell icon to get time to time update from our channel. So thank you so much.